You might say this scene at King of the Hammers came from the Mad Max movies. I wouldn't argue with you, though it doesn't have the blood and guts as the movies do. It's as hardcore as you can get in the off-roading world. For a couple weeks, over 60,000 off-roaders show up in the middle of the Johnson Valley Desert to form Hammertown. They come together to party, compete, and watch man and machine challenge the toughest off-road rock-crawling trails in the world. All range of vehicles from VW Bugs, trophy trucks, and the unlimited class compete in a variety of trails where most competitors struggle to even finish the race. Enough of the intro, let's get into some trails. The first day we tackled the signature trails, which also happen to be some of the hardest in Johnson Valley, starting with Sledge Hammer, then Jackhammer, and getting completely wrecked in Wrecking Ball. You'll see.
Get up the hill okay? Yeah, well, Todd saw that behind me, like I would have been fine.
Then we churned some butter.
Should I try to like climb this ridge right here? Pretty slick, dude. You're not gonna roll over, just
Mailboxes are a great spot to rest at and tighten up anything that got jarred loose. And with these trails, that's a certainty.
Just come loose or what? Well, it's new and I kind of knew it sucked.
Yeah.
Coming into it.
Yeah.
So I put some tape on it.
Right.
But
tape didn't hold up.
No.
expect a decent amount of trail traffic during the 2 weeks of the event, but it's all good because most know the rules of the trail. After coming down all the waterfalls of boulders of Sledge Hammer, we connected to the Jackhammer Trail for more pain.
Came up here while the pond was all still filled in.
Oh, yeah.
Good idea how bad it was.
The overlanders are not the only ones that find beautiful vistas. Crawlers find some amazing spots to enjoy nature's beauty with the best of them. And very few vehicles can really make this trip. Our next trail we take is Wrecking Ball, and we started out with some basic trail repairs.
Just clamp it off, clamp on the clamp. That's crazy. Yeah, all of a sudden I'm like wheeling, I'm like, what the f***? All of a sudden you're not wheeling? Good. No, I got everything. Just gonna take a minute here too.
After fixing the fuel pump, darkness falls as we are on to our toughest test yet. The side-by-side winching up and the Factor 55 flag was our clues that we were in for it. I'll shut up for now and let you see how it all plays out.
Might as well.
You gotta love it. It ain't even easy with the winch. Now there are 3 lines on this section, and due to the darkness and being behind the main group, we went right into the toughest one.
Yeah.
As Ryan was saying, you have to try to stay passenger, but it slides you into that gap and boulder. Then it gets all tippy when you try to realign, yet you can't back out of it once you slid over to the driver's side. So you have one chance to get it right, or, as a majority of folks find out, you either get stuck, tip over, or winch it out. Your choice. Dang, that was crazy. We just rolled. And everybody's okay. A little fuel leaking, but all good. That's... Damn.
I jinxed it, you know that, right? After saying, you know, we almost rolled on that last one. It's all good.
In the headlights, you can see the hillside we came tumbling down, which was about 50 feet from the obstacle we just winched from. You were supposed to cut in, and we stayed high. We tried to get back on the main trail, and of course, this is where I didn't have the camera rolling.
Damn, we got the cavalry today.
Always good to have the AdRack Racing pit crew to get us out of this jam.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
Just keep it tight.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it doesn't go...
Need a bigger winch up there. Who's got that winch?
Do we need 2?
Just get back up.
We're about to get stuck in. That'd be okay, dude.
Ain't gonna work. He's got way too much weight to go over this. Need the big winch. It'll go.
Stuff's happening.
It'll go. Now he's under the tire. It's gonna fucking... Oh, no, it's gonna be fine. You good?
Hold on.
Oh! Oh, is that just the tire?
Right, we're good. A little more. Keep going. Huh? Okay. Parker, you have the atlas? Hey, just put it in neutral. Let me pull him over it. Yeah.
All right, put it in neutral.
Yeah. Okay, everybody stop. No winching. I'm going to pull forward and get off this rock and then winch in. I think you're fine right here. Yeah, right there. Both rear tires are in the air. You're good there.
The Juggy lives! To give you perspective, I'm basically standing from where we rolled from.
Good. Okay.
It's right here. Goes right to the inside.
Yeah.
There's
No oil in the intake tube?
It's dry.
No, it's dry, dude.
Not on the inside. Way
Because
back.
this isn't sealed. It's
No,
leaking
no,
on the
it's
outside.
wet on the inside where this line comes in. It's wet right here.
Yeah.
4.0! Woo! Game on! After all that adventure, we take Claw Hammer for the final trail of the famous hammers. One last trail repair for a leaky transfer case. Gotta love the IV drip solution though.
Vacuum
I just threw a
pressurized.
lot for a TK.
I'll have a vacuum pressurized. Come on, my IV is dripping.
Well, that wraps up our first day wheeling at Hammers. For my very first time, all I gotta say is this place is no joke. If you're gonna hit these signature trails, you and your rig need to be ready to take it on. For those that are ready, you're gonna have a ton of fun on these obstacles. And as you've seen in this video, the scenery and views of the desert are amazing too. If you enjoyed watching this as much as I did making it, then hit me up with a like and be sure to subscribe because this was only the first day and I've got way more content to come.